Today, me and Christian went fishing on our favorite river. We crossed the river and started getting some warm-up casts in when Chris hooked onto the first fish with a Castmaster. It was a nice, healthy rainbow trout. Next cast, I hooked onto a nice fish.
Same as yours.
Turned out to be another beautiful rainbow trout.
Yeah.
Just a little downstream from there, I hooked onto another nice rainbow trout. Put up a really good fight. Beautiful. And then Chris fell in. And we kept catching more fish the further downstream we went. The Castmasters seemed to be working best. Another beautiful net job. A nice healthy rainbow trout. Then Chris caught one on a Rapala. Nice little guy. And now it was time to make our journey back to the car. Caught one more, sun just went down. Probably the last fish of the day.